Good morning, how are you?
Good morning. Very well, thank you, John. I love the sound of that outfit. You can't beat a bit of bling, can you? But this morning, it's a bit sparkly outside as well. We've got some frost. We've also got some fog as well. Fog around, for example, North Norfolk, Cambridgeshire, the Wash, that kind of area. And by the time the sun gets up, we could see some further fog patches developing around the Fens, possibly the Thames Valley as well. But it will lift quite quickly, and the weather today is mainly fine. Good morning both. Good morning to you too. This week, while it's going to be cold at times, we're looking at a widespread frost as we go through the week. Some of us have frosty conditions already.
And it's a bit chilly out there in a lot of places, isn't it? Morning, Carol.
It is indeed, John. Yes, good morning, everybody. You can see just how chilly from our Weather Watchers picture taken a bit earlier in Aberystwyth. In Wales, we've got some frost, and not really surprising when you look at the temperatures.
And there's been warnings of all kinds of terrible freezing conditions coming our way, Carol. Is this true?
Well, it is cold this morning in parts of the country, John, but not everywhere. Temperatures fell last night to just lower than -7 in Perthshore in central parts of England. But what you'll find is if you travel up to the northwest of Scotland, temperatures are currently around about 8 degrees. So there's a real disparity in those temperatures. And as we go through the rest of this week, what you'll find is it's going to be largely dry away from the northwest because although we've got the higher temperatures here, we've also got more cloud and at times some rain. There'll be frost and also some fog and across the north of Scotland, especially so later on Wednesday. It's going to be very windy, significant winds actually.
I wonder where the weather is better, west coast or northwest of England. Carol can tell us. Morning.
Good morning both. Good morning to you too. The weather is best today if you like. It's sunny and dry further south or in the east. But I want to start by showing you a Weather Watchers picture taken last night, only because it's so spectacular of the evening sunset. And this was taken in Middlewich in Cheshire. But this morning we do have some mist and some fog around, as you can see from our Weather Watcher picture taken in Kent. Now the mist and fog will lift quite rapidly this morning. It's a frosty start for some as well, and there'll be some sunshine around or areas of cloud. Good morning both. Good morning to you too. John is absolutely right. Last night temperatures in parts of England fell as low as -7 or just below. Now as we go through the rest of this week, what you'll find is it's going to be largely dry. I say largely because at times there will be some rain coming in across the north and west of Scotland and Northern Ireland. There's also going to be further frost and fog, but not everywhere. A lot of this will be in the south, and it's going to be windier midweek. Significant winds actually on Wednesday, peaking overnight Wednesday into Thursday, where in the north of Scotland we could have gusts 70 or 80 miles an hour.